There's more than one way to eat sardines. Let me show you. That right there, that's a rolling boil. That's how you want to get your pasta water ready. And when you put your salt in there, it should taste like your tears. I don't know how the sea tastes. I know how my tears taste. Measure it by that. It should taste like your tears. Chefs say that you should not add oil to your pasta because it prevents your sauce from sticking to the pasta. But then some say that you should. So sometimes I add oil and sometimes I don't. And the reason that they say that you shouldn't do, you can do it is that if you're not gonna be standing there doing what I'm doing, making sure the pasta's not sticking by stirring it periodically, which you should be doing anyway. If you're in the kitchen, you gotta be in the kitchen with your food. So you should be in the kitchen cooking. So today I did not add any oil. So I've added some garlic and some sardines and a little bit of anchovies and the oil from the sardines and a little oil from the anchovies. I didn't add a lot of salt to my pasta because the anchovies are already salty. But I'm gonna let this cook down for a few minutes and add the pasta back in. It's good, y'all. It's good. I'm eating out of the pot. I was careful not to over salt the pasta because the anchovies got salt in them, the sardines got a little salt in them, and the olives got salt in them, and it's oh man, oh man, it's good. Let's plate up. Basically, it's a spin on pasta puttanesca, which is pasta with capers, olives, garlic, and tomatoes for the working girls because the working girls had to eat quick. It's like a 10-minute meal. And today, because I had sardines, I just decided to add sardines to mine with a little anchovies, a little garlic, a little tomato, and man, look, Kalamata olives. Man, it is delicious. So y'all try this. This is a 10-minute meal. I love sardines, and for those of you who don't like sardines, substitute it with something else. Use just anchovies. For those of you who don't like sardines or anchovies, add your chicken or whatever you're gonna add, or no meat at all. But this is a quick and easy meal, and it is delicious. Mine is with sardines, and it's good. I could even eat this cold. Y'all go out and make it a great day. I'm Val Taylor. I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye now.